Is where I show you guys a piece of paper. It's normal paper, as you can see, hey? Normal paper. And I take this paper and put it in here, like this, okay? Now what I do, I'm going to print on this paper, like this. Watch closely before your eyes, watch. Just one print like that. Ah, that's it. It turns into a 50 rand, okay? Now, can you guys tell me what is this? It's a pen. Now I'm going to take the pen and make a hole somewhere there in the middle. I mean, anyone can do it. You can try it later on. Okay, okay. Watch the pen, watch the note. Okay, it works like this. Watch. Straight through. I mean, anyone can do it. But with magic. Elamanya, shalabaga, elabaga. What? Huh? Huh? Wow. Quite. Huh? No holes, nothing. Don't ever try this money. You're going to get